Let's have a quick look at the reports produced by TEQA. The first report is for internal auditing. For a specific EQA and round, it tells you who did elaborate the statistic and when. For each analyte and lot, it reminds you how the target value and the deviation have been determined and which types of the reports were requested. In this case, we can see that the general report G and the instrument method IM report have been requested. The second report is laboratory specific. It shows the lab performance for an EQA and round. This report is divided into three parts. The first one is an optional PDF file written by the coordinator containing information about how the statistics have been done. It may contain general comments on how some peer groups performed and so on. This file is merged with the main report as a header. The second part of the report is a quick summary. For each analyte and peer group, it shows the target value, deviation, number of participants, and the lab performance. The last part is the detailed analysis of the above. The examples below are repeated for each analyte and sample. A frequency histogram displays the peer group's performance. The peer groups are overlapped with the transparency effect. In this case, you may see the general statistic in the background and the instrument method statistic in the forefront. A tick indicates the laboratory position. Then a statistic comparison allows the laboratory to evaluate the results of the other peer groups. In this case, we may see a general statistic, an instrument method statistic on a group of instruments, and finally, 4 specific instrument method statistics. The graphic displays the target value and the permissible deviation for each statistic. And finally, the Shewhart diagrams compare the performance of the laboratory across rounds for the same analyte.